Hello. In this video, we're going to see a problem from statistics, especially mean and median. Let's first read the problem. The least and greatest number in a list of 7 real numbers are 2 and 20 respectively. The median of the list is 6 and the number 3 occurs most often in the list. Which of the following could be the average, which is arithmetic mean, of the numbers in the list? This is a little hard problem in the sense you need to understand the problem clearly to find out what are all the possible values and then how we can find which of the following could be the average. The choices are, can the average be 7, 8.5, 10? Then you have a list of choices, only 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. So if we prove that 7 could be an average, or 8.5 could be an average, or 10 could be an average, then we say that that's possible with some combination of numbers, and then we can prove whichever doesn't work, we can cross that, and then we can pick the answer choice. So let's go step by step. What is meant by median? And they say median of a list, you arrange the list of numbers in ascending or descending order, and the middle value will be 6. So let's put, they've given the first number is 2 and the last number is 20. So then there is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 7 values. The median is 6. That means 6 comes here. And they say the number 3 occurs most often in the list. So number 3 cannot come here or here because when you arrange it, it will go on the left hand side. So most often the maximum number of times 3 can come is twice. Cannot have a 3 in these 2 slots. So now we have these fixed numbers. We have 5 fixed numbers. Now we can guess these 2 and see if any of them could average 7, 8.5 or 10. Now first let's find the total of these 5 known numbers. That will be 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 20. That is equal to 20 plus 6, 26, 26, 29, 32, 34. So this is known. Now if we want the arithmetic mean or average to be 7, let's assume it's 7. That means what will be the total value of all these numbers? That's what arithmetic mean means. You add all the values and then divide it by the total number of elements, which is 7, and that will be the average arithmetic mean. So if 7 is the average, then the total value would be 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. And we already know 5 numbers, which are 34. So the remaining 2 numbers should constitute to 49 minus 34, which will be equal to 15. So you have to find 2 numbers whose sum will be equal to 15, and you have to put here. I can't pick 10 and 5 because 5 cannot come here, as it should be less than 6. So that numbers should be greater than 6. So I can pick 7 and 8, which is going to be 15. So this will become 49 and the average will be 7. So this is possible. Now let's check for 8.5. Now if 8.5 is the average, that means the total value would be 8.5 times 7. You can use calculator for this problem. When you use that, 8.5 times 7 will give you 59.5. And again, you have to subtract 34 from that. It will give you 25.5. So you need to find 2 numbers which is greater than 6 and less than 20, which will add to 25.5. I can pick 10 and 15.5, which adds up to 25.5 and it is greater than 6. So this also gets satisfied. So 8.5 is also a possible average. So now the last one is 10. That means the total value would be 10 times 7, which will be 70. Then you have to subtract 34. 70 minus 34 equal to 36. So I have to find 2 numbers that add up to 36. So I can pick 17 and 19. So this will add up to 36 and you get the average 10, and also 3 is the most occurred number in the list. So this is also possible. So all 3 numbers could be an average depending on these 2 numbers which we picked in various cases. All we need to prove is there is at least one value for this slot 6 and 7 which can satisfy these. So all three are possible. So the correct answer is D, 1, 2, and 3. And that's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.